One of the most common questions we get from new owners is, can I do my own maintenance? And while we appreciate the hands-on attitude, once you're working with Colorado Realty and Property Management, the answer is not really. That's because we coordinate all maintenance and repairs through our internal systems. Why? To protect your property, keep your residents happy, and make sure everything is done by the book. We use only trusted, licensed vendors. Every job is tracked, documented, and followed up, so there's no guesswork, no liability concerns, and no gaps in service. We know some owners have preferred vendors or like to get hands-on. That's totally understandable. If you have a vendor you love, let us know. We're happy to vet and coordinate through our system. But once you're part of our management portfolio, our team takes the lead. You can relax knowing your property and your residents are taken care of. To learn more about how we handle maintenance and more, visit us at coloradorpm.com.